Dukers WD-500Y 17.6 cubic foot commercial chest freezer. If you remember glaring into a white metal box packed full of frozen treats at the local market when you were a kid, the Dukers WD-500Y is reminiscent of the chest freezer which welcomed you on hot summer days when ice cream came calling. The beautiful, curved, UV-filtered glass-domed lid seals and insulates this chest freezer for extra protection of your frozen foods and desserts. The smooth glide glass tempered doors slide horizontally, and the fan-assisted condenser wraps your frozen inventory in an icy chill between 8 degrees and 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Bumper bars are installed around 3 edges to protect the cabinet from scrapes and dents. Dukers uses R290, aka Care propane grade refrigerant for low environmental impact and excellent thermodynamic performance. The adjustable analog temperature dial and manual defrost port make this chest freezer easy to maintain and clean. Weighing in at 170 pounds with a generous 17.6 cubic foot capacity and using only 300 watts, 110 volts, and a mere 0.3 kilowatt hours, and a 1/3 horsepower compressor, the Dukers WD-500Y comes standard with a plug-and-play NEMA 5-20P plug to get you up and running quickly. The cabinet measures 56 1/8 by 29 5/8 by 33 1/8 inch. 4 generous poly-coated baskets measuring 21.5 by 11 by 6 inches keep your frozen foods and treats organized or lift out for maximum chest freezer type storage or for transporting your inventory. To top it off, Dukers offers a commercial warranty with 2 years on parts and labor and a whopping 5-year warranty on the compressor. Now for the pros. Has a fantastic commercial warranty. It's energy efficient. Has R290 low environmental impact refrigerant and the NEMA 520P plug-and-play outlet plug. Now for a couple of cons. No residential warranty. Be sure to recognize this fact before purchase. And limited functionality than a commercial chest or upright freezer.